Welcome again to my channel. Today I have an exciting video about a brand new all-in-one meme coin trading platform that comes with a ton of cool features. It's called Axiom Pro and you need an invitation code to sign up. If you use my link in the description below, you will get instant access and also get 10% less trading fees, so check it out. At first glance, Axiom looks like any other meme coin trading bot, so if you are familiar with Bullix and Proton, you know how it works. The main difference between other trading platforms is that Axiom is extremely fast, it has 30% lower fees, you can earn yield with your crypto, you can use margin trading, and the platform comes with a built-in Twitter monitor and a wallet tracker, and you even get paid to trade. The user interface is clean and easy to navigate, and Axiom integrates well with the Nova Telegram bot. You can combine Nova bot and add filters, watch lists and real-time data, which is great if you aim to refine your strategy without juggling with multiple platforms. On the Discover page there are trending and deck screener tokens where you can set up different filters to make a selection and weed out all the scam tokens. Filter tokens by adding a minimum market cap, a maximum market cap, liquidity, token age, top holders and so on. If you watched my other videos where I show you how to set up the best filters for trading meme coins, then you can apply those same strategies in Axiom. To search a token, go to the search bar and enter the name or paste the token address and turn on OG mode to get a list of all the OG tokens based on the ticker and market cap. The Pulse section works like the Pump Vision tool on Bullix or the Meme Scope tool in Proton. You can search for tokens that have just launched, browse the final stretch tokens, which are tokens that are about to graduate, and the migrated tokens that are listed on Deck Screener and other exchanges. If you click on a token, the chart will open with all the details like the market cap, the volume, liquidity, the bonding curve and so on. Scroll through the page to see recent trades, your position, top holders, dev trades and more. With the Instant Trade tool you get more buy and sell presets and you can also create hotkeys for it, so you can make even faster trades. Hover your mouse cursor over the Twitter or the X icon to preview the tweet before opening it. Choose which stats to display and increase the button size to extra large for faster sniping. On the right side is the trading panel where you can buy and sell tokens. You can set a limit buy or sell order and set stop loss and take profit orders. Just click on the buy button, enter how many tokens you want to buy and click the order button. If a token pair has a Deck Screener page banner, it will display here below. To set a limit buy order, click on limit, set the amount and move the slider to the right or to the left, depending on how much you want to pay for the token. You can also grab the line to adjust the order manually. It's really simple and orders go through very fast. One of my favorite features is the Advanced Trading Strategy tool. You can place a bid on an amount of tokens when the dev sells his position, walk away from your computer and Axiom will make the trade for you. You can also set a stop loss, tell Axiom to sell exactly when the dev sells a specific amount of his position and tell the software when to take profit. This is a unique feature that no other exchange offers. In the Trades panel you can show all the dev trades or show your own trades by clicking the icons, and you can also add a wallet address here too if you want to show trades by wallets that you copy trade. There are 3 presets that you can set up depending on how fast you want your trades to go through. Change the slippage and priority fee and also the bribe fee if you use MEF protection. The token info gives you a quick overview of the stats and below are similar tokens listed. You can even buy and sell with multiple wallets at once, while the advanced algorithm will randomize your trades. Another great option is that Axiom gives you free Solana every time you trade on the website, and you also earn points if you use the platform. You can view your rewards and points on the rewards page. When you join Axiom, you'll receive a unique referral link. Share this link with other people, and whenever someone signs up to Axiom using your link and starts trading, you will earn a percentage of the fees generated from their trades. On the trackers page, you can add profitable wallets that you copy. You can see all their live trades and get an alert when they make a move. You can filter wallets by their buys or sells and also by minimum amount. Hover your cursor over any trader to get their details. To import a wallet, click on Add Wallet, paste the address and give it a name. This is an amazing feature that I only have seen in Telegram bots like Nova and TradeWiz, which I also use. The Perpetuals page allows you to trade with up to 50x leverage on all your favorite tokens. If you have some USDC tokens sitting in your wallet, you can earn a nice 2.38% yield. Just create a MarginFi account and deposit your USDC coins here to earn free money. Solana yield earning will come soon, so be sure to keep an eye out on this page. The portfolio page offers an overview of all your assets and trades, so you always know how well you are doing. And if you want to send or withdraw Solana to your trading wallet, just click the wallet icon at the top right and select the deposit or withdraw option. Below the page you can view the live price of Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana, and if you live outside the US and your connection is not stable, you can change the connection here below to make even faster trades. There is also the Twitter Alerts tool, which you can access in the toolbar below. This built-in Twitter tracker gives you frequent updates and brand new tweets from influencers and interesting people in the market. Whenever someone tweets about a ticker or anything related to a meme coin, it will show up right here and you can easily buy that token within seconds. You can customize your feed and boost accounts that you want to monitor. This is really cool and it will save you a lot of money which you would otherwise have to spend for a paid Twitter tracker. If you are new and want to trade meme coins, perpetual contracts or earn passive income with yield farming, Axiom gives you all the tools to make it happen. From now on, I will use Axiom for trading meme coins, and if you also want to test it out, feel free to sign up with my link down below. I would love to hear your thoughts about this new platform, so let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks again for watching this video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get all my latest videos first. Trade safely and have a great day. Bye bye.